Hi, this is Josie Adams with RE/MAX Alliance. I'm here at lot number 10, Vineyard Trace. We are working on a new floor plan that we're building, and we have professional plumbing and gas doing all the plumbing work in this home. And I want to give a big shout out to Big Jesse and Little Jesse. And as you know, we can't do this alone. We need quality professional people to work with us to build a quality home. For any information, please call me, Josie Adams, at RE/MAX Alliance, and my number is 985-789-2121.